guys, today we're making peanut butter bombs. So, the things that you'll need for these amazing peanut butter bombs that will blow your mind are powdered sugar, aka confectioner sugar, some milk, you'll need 2 of these, bowl, crunchy peanut butter, vanilla bean, you can also use vanilla extract if needed, salt, baking powder, butter, flour, creamy peanut butter, yogurt, cocoa powder, brown sugar, and white sugar. So, first we're going to make the filling, which has the crunchy peanut butter, the milk, and then the powdered sugar. So I'm just going to add everything, the powdered sugar, and then the milk. And then I'm going to add the peanut butter. And I'm just going to mix that. Okay. It's looking. Okay, so the filling looks very good. It looks peanut buttery. And then in this stand mixer. Okay, now we're gonna add the wet ingredients into the stand mixer. So the wet ingredients are the butter, the milk, the vanilla, the peanut butter, and both of the sugars. So I just do that. It's softened. It's not like hard or melted. Just a reminder. Peanut butter, yogurt, milk, sugars, and then I'm going to add this beautiful vanilla paste. Just that, okay. Now we're just going to mix it up. Now I'm going to close this and then head over to our dry ingredients here. It's the cocoa powder and then the salt and the baking powder. I'm just going to add that. Oh wow. So much cocoa. Okay, and then we're just going to mix this up. So much sugar. Just mix it. You don't want any white lumps or brown lumps, so you just have to mix it until it's like an even color. It looks pretty even. If you just do that, there should not be like 2 colors. Okay, we're just gonna open this up. It smells very peanut buttery. Okay, and then you should add in the dry mixture like that. Wait, this is just, okay, now I'm just going to close it and mix it. Oh! As you guys can see, because of that, when you add in your dry mixture, never like fully put it on high, otherwise it'll explode in your face like that. Make sure not to overmix the mixture. Okay, so I added a little bit of milk because it was a tad bit dry. But you make sure not to overmix it, otherwise the moisture won't be there. Just take it out and then you can sort of, mix it with your hands a little bit. Okay, so I took out the dough, okay, I'm just explaining everything. I oiled my pan. I got this little surface that I can work on. So, there's 2 ways to fill your cookies. I'll show you guys both of them. What you need to do is take like a tablespoon of dough, roll it into a ball, okay? Just press it, okay? It doesn't have to be like all neat. Just do that. Take another tablespoon, and then do the same thing. Press it. There. And then you need to take a little bit of your that's too much. There. This much. Okay. Maybe a little bit more because like who doesn't like some good peanut butter? And then you just add this on top and then close it from the side. Just like crimp them. It's like a little sandwich. And then that's one cookie. Okay. Now I'm going to show you guys another technique that I thought of. Okay, so this is going to be like a normal. I hope you guys know what that is. You just take a bigger ball, not a tablespoon, bigger ball, and then you squish it. Okay, it's to be even this time. A bit more here. Just you can use the rolling pin, just roll it out like so. And then we're gonna do this the Momo style. Okay, that's what we're gonna call this, the Momo style. Take the peanut butter, add it, a lot of that good stuff in there. Okay, and then we take the edges and then we just like crimp it all together. Like that. And then just make it into a ball. And then press it lightly and put it on your tray. Both of them are good, but I like this one better because it's just more meter. Okay, so I made all 6. There's still leftover dough, so there might be more, but I just want to make 6 for now. Make it more later. So I'm just gonna put these in the oven. I preheated it to 350. I'm gonna put it up for about 10 minutes first, and then we'll check. Okay, so it's like already baked, and I've let it cool down for like, I think like maybe 1-ish hour. Yeah, maybe 1 hour. Let me just take it out. I don't know what. Okay, now we're just gonna cut this open and see how it looks inside. Oh my god, you can see the peanut butter filling. It looks so good. Should we try? It's really good. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe this video.